Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests on my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to increase font size on Snapchat on iPhone. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Let's get started. So first we need to go to settings. After that scroll down a little and click Control Center. After that you must scroll down and find text size here. Click on this plus and go back. Now go to Snapchat, go to our chats, lower curtain and click on texts button. And here click Snapchat only. And now you can increase font on Snapchat on your iPhone. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone, see you later.